Hi everyone! How's it going? Welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today I'm making chicken skin skewers, which is another popular variations for yakitori. You know, chicken skin skewers would be nice and crispy and you can enjoy it with salt and pepper. But this time I'm showing you the tare version. Tare is a Japanese sauce which is so similar to teriyaki sauce. You know, to make it is super easy and the taste would be incredible. So why don't you try making it at your home? Alright, let's get started! Alright, this time I'd like to skip the ingredients part because all the ingredients you need is leftover chicken skin alone. I believe you have tons of freezed chicken skin leftovers in your fridge, so just go ahead and use it up. Plus you need these bamboo skewers to skewer them. And we have 5 little steps to make it. Step 1 is to soak the skewers in water. It's to prevent the skewers to get burned while you pan fry the chicken skin. Step 2 is to make the homemade yakitori sauce. To be honest, it is nothing different from teriyaki sauce. Of course, you can skip step 2 if you season it with salt and pepper. Step 3 is to simmer the chicken skin in hot water for about 4 minutes. Then cut them into bite-sized pieces if it is needed, but I recommend you not to cut them too small because it will get smaller when you pan fry it. Step 4 is to skewer the chicken skins and pan fry it. And then the last step, step 5, is to season the chicken skin. That's it! Super easy, isn't it? Why don't we go on to step 1? Right, step 1 is to soak the bamboo skewers in water. The reason why you do this is to prevent the bamboo skewers to get burnt. Right, like this. Yeah, step 2. Step 2 is to make the tare. But tare is nothing different from teriyaki sauce. So it is same amount of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Sake 1 tablespoon, mirin 1 tablespoon, plus a little bit of sugar. I believe it is half tablespoon or something like that. And set this aside. Okay, why don't we go on to step 3? Step 3 is to simmer the chicken skin in boiled water for about 4 minutes. Alright, now the water is boiled, so why don't you put the chicken skin into it. Various size. Right, simmer it for 4 minutes. Alright, now 4 minutes has passed, so why don't you cut the chicken skin if it is needed. Well, you don't have to cut these small ones, but you have to cut these bigger ones, you know, pieces. Okay then, why don't we go to step 4, I believe. This is gonna be the skewer the skin. You know, small one to middle big, a bit more big, then finish up with bigger one. Yeah. One more. Okay. Skewer the skin like this. Right. Now the skin. Okay. Smaller one to middle big one and the big one. Yeah, it'll be nice. Okay, the third skewer. Okay. Yeah. Looks nice. Okay, moving the last skewer, fourth one. Use the fourth. It'll be 4.5. Okay, a half. This is gonna be a half. It will look so-so. It will look so-so. Okay. Okay, it's done. Okay, why don't we pan fry the chicken skin? You need a bit of vegetable oil and put this in. will take 2, 3, 4 minutes. It's about 3 minutes as fast. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. No yet. No yet. Okay, now it's 4 minutes as fast. Yeah, it's nice and brown. Why don't you turn it over? Okay. Just wait another 2-3 minutes. There you go. Okay, it's about 2 more minutes as fast. Yeah, it's done. But please remove the excess oil. Yeah. It's time to go to step 5. Yeah. Then we turn it over again. It's nice and crispy. Why don't you go to step 5? Put your low heat and the tare into the pan. Right. Okay, tare. Teriyaki sauce. Okay, it's time to plate the chicken skin skewers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you pour the teriyaki sauce on it. Right. Looks great, isn't it? So now the chicken skin skewers are ready. Plus, if you have some taste pepper, just pour it on it. It'll be nice. Wow, great. Looks great, isn't it? Wow. Right. Yeah, this is the chicken skin skewers. Another popular variation for yakitori. Alright, thank you for watching. Now you know to make chicken skin skewers at home. Isn't that difficult? You can make it at your home. So why don't you try it? Anyway, if you like this video, please put thumbs up button and leave some messages down below and subscribe. Alright, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and take good care. Arigato. See you. Bye bye. Okay, thanks for watching. This is super yummy. Wow. This one goes with this one. Looks great, isn't it? Unbelievable. Great. Thanks for watching. See you.